There are tough negotiations being held between the TMC and the Congress as far as seat sharing is concerned ahead of the assembly polls in West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee, the TMC chief, according to sources telling your channel, has assured that the arrangements could be finalized in the next 2 days. Political editor Navika Kumar joins us on the phone line with the details. Navika, what are your sources telling you as far as the negotiations for seat sharing in West Bengal are concerned?
Well, at the moment, it's a very tough phase of negotiations between the Congress and the Trinamool Congress as far as the West Bengal assembly seats are concerned. The Trinamool Congress adamant only to give 62 seats to the Congress. The Congress, on the other hand, has been demanding nothing less than 90. From what we understand, they have scaled down their expectations and are willing to come down to the level of about 80 seats, but that's the final call that the Congress is making at this point. However, the Trinamool Congress only ready to offer 62 seats. From what we learned just a short while ago, political advisor to Congress President Sonia Gandhi, Mr. Ahmed Patel, has spoken with Mamata Banerjee. According to sources who have told us, Ahmed Patel discussed with Mamata Banerjee the situation on the seat sharing issue and asked her about the time frame of finalizing these arrangements. Mamata Banerjee has assured that within the next 24 hours they should finalize the seat sharing arrangement, or it would be late. As we know, the polling in West Bengal begins within the next 1 month from now, and clearly time seems to be running out, and Mamata Banerjee very keen to complete the process in the next 24 hours. So very crucial 24-hour deadline that has been fixed at this moment for talks between the Congress and the Trinamool Congress. It's a tough phase of negotiation, but both sides hopeful that something will come out. But given the huge gap in the demand of the Congress, that is 80 seats is what they are currently demanding, and 62 which the TMC is offering, we'll have to wait and watch where the middle ground is found. But already it looks like it is a very tough bargaining situation between the Congress and the TMC at this point. Senior leader Ahmed Patel talking to Mamata Banerjee clearly shows that there are a few hurdles in this conversation.